Hey, I'm super excited that you are looking to partner with us as a vendor and be on our vendor list. I believe that 2024 is going to be the best year yet, and I'm looking to partner with the right businesses and the businesses we're aligned with and strategically partnered with. I believe those businesses will be the number one in their industry. That is my goal for you guys: is to be the number one in your industry, or continue to be the number one in the industry, and just completely wipe out your competition. So I'm super excited about that. In the vendor, as a vendor partner, what you'll get access to is you'll be on our vendor list that goes out to every single client, past client, potential client. All of those, you'll be on our newsletters as a business sponsor. You'll be featured on our podcast, Living in Durango. So I'm super excited about that. And then also, obviously, the AI stuff. So you're going to get access to the AI leads that come in. So I'm excited about all that you're going to get access to on our vendor partner list. And then also, obviously, on our real estate website, you'll also be on there. So this is going to be game changing, and I'm excited for you to partner with us. So go ahead and fill the information out, and we'll see you on the other side. The next step is going to be access to our exclusive uh, YouTube masterclass. So I'm really excited about that, and we'll see you on the next one.